Purchasing. Purchasing is a task that all of us do in our daily lives, day in and day out. We don't even think about it. But for most businesses, this is much more complicated. Take, for example, these boots. There's leather, there's stitching, there's rubber that needs to go in them. Those are direct materials. There's also indirect materials which are needed to make the whole manufacturing system run. And finally, they're capital goods. You need to purchase the land. You need to build the factory. You need to buy machinery. So all of these different aspects of purchasing are required to run a company. A good purchasing process is hugely important for all of these categories. And purchasing in general makes up a huge part of companies' costs. For example, service companies spend up to 40% on purchasing, and manufacturers, this number balloons up to 70%. Nevertheless, a company must be able to manage costs and ensure continuity of their supply of raw material if they want to be successful. Purchasing generally refers to the activity of buying goods and services. And in order to have a streamlined process, 5 different phases must be observed. It all starts in phase 1 with the purchase order. This lets the supplier know that we want the items from them, and they will initiate the sale on their part. The next activity is the advanced shipping notice. We want to receive an advanced shipping notice that tells us when the goods are expected to be arrived, and we're going to monitor it throughout transit. In the third step, we are confirming that we received the goods. In the fourth step, we're processing the invoice. And that then leads us to the fifth step, which means that we're paying the supplier and we're closing the purchasing loop. Generally, this type of process has to be implemented in the company to be as easy and quick as possible. So what is it that purchasing must accomplish? Well, get ready, because I'm going to say the word right 12 times. You're looking to buy the right material at the right quantity, at the right quality, from the right source, at the right price. Of course, these products have to be delivered, and they have to be delivered at the right time, to the right location, with the right transportation mode, at the right level of service. And finally, all of this has to be managed with the right contract and the right length of payment terms.